Hi guys and welcome to our channel Company Insider. Today we are having देवोत्तम चट्टोपाध्याय with us. So first of all देवोत्तम थोड़ा अपने बारे में introduction दीजिए पहले तो. Which college are you from and which branch you took?
I did my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from VIT. And after that, I did my master's in computer science from the same institution. And
Okay.
now I'm working at Dell Technologies.
Okay, that's nice. So can I ask like from mechanical to computer science, like how did this transition happen and why?
ये transition तो बहुत ही मतलब बोलते हैं ना इत्तेफाक. It was a total ittifaq on my side.
Right.
I was all set and prepared to go to Germany for my masters. मेरा admission
Okay.
हो गया था, hostels book हो गए थे. I was
Okay.
almost going to pay my fees. मतलब वैसा सीन था. मतलब I was
Okay.
supposed to go by September. अक्टूबर से मेरे क्लासेस शुरू होने वाले थे.
Okay.
सितंबर को मैं निकलने वाला था. लेकिन at the end क्या हुआ था कि जर्मनी में the second wave of COVID started and the
Oh
embassy
yeah.
closed down. मेरा डैड का एक बिजनेस पार्टनर है, तो he lives in
Right.
Germany. So he only called my dad and said ki don't send your son now because the situation is very bad and people in Germany are dying. So
Right.
dad was also scared, mom was scared. Like ठीक है risk नहीं लेते बेटा अकेले जाएगा कुछ हो गया तो like what if like you're in a different country living alone and it's a big
Correct.
thing.
Correct.
And so they like ठीक है मत जा you can go next year. तो मैंने उसका deferral ले लिया था कि next year मैं जाऊंगा. But then मेरा क्या होता if I went next year मेरा एक साल का पूरा gap रह जाता.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
मेरा 1 साल का बट आई हैड अ बैकअप मेरा वीआईटी में एक वो होता है ना कि मास रिक्रूटमेंट्स होते हैं तो आई हैड वन
हाँ.
कैपजेमिनी करके कंपनी था सो आई
Capgemini.
हैड
Yeah.
वन ऑफ या कैपजेमिनी में आई हैड अ प्लेसमेंट ओवर देयर बट कैपजेमिनी का भी ये सीन था कि दे वर नॉट गिविंग द जॉइनिंग डेट मतलब प्लेसमेंट हो गया था बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड एवरीथिंग
डिले
गॉट
कर रहे होंगे.
एक्सटेंडेड it was delayed I'll tell you for in reference I was supposed to join on July of 2020 I got my offer letter on October.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I got the offer letter in October. So by that time, I was already done by CAT 2 in my first semester in VIT. Yeah, so the starting of that. So मेरा जर्मनी का वो प्लान तो कैंसिल हो गया था. Deferrals generally mean क्या मतलब हमने सोचा कि कैंसिल ही हो गया मतलब
जर्मनी
जाना
में
नहीं
मास्टर्स
होगा.
वाज इन मैकेनिकल राइट.
Not mechanical or special. It was geoinformatics and geo planning,
ओके. ओके.
satellite
ओके.
imaging, that
तो
field.
अभी तक सीएस में जाने का कोई ऐसा प्लान नहीं था.
There was no plan. It was totally like fine. It was
ओके.
well,
ओके.
at that
कंटिन्यू.
time, since I was about to join for masters in Germany, I was already started studying in geo planning, geoscience, geostatistics, geomatics. सब कुछ हो ना अचानक से हो कि प्लान बंद. So like almost बैग खरीदना हो गया था. You know, buying coats for the German winter. सब कुछ हो गया था then like plan cancelled and I was depressed मतलब almost दो
राइट.
तीन हफ्ते I was just like कुछ नहीं मतलब सारा motivation खत्म हो गया था I was looking forward to going and घर में ऐसे ही कोविड के लॉकडाउन की वजह से इतना बोरिंग था ऊपर से मतलब I have nothing to do इंसान का होता है ना when they have nothing to do they tend to get bored and
राइट.
like
राइट.
devil's
राइट.
workshop हो जाता है तो my mind started going here and there and I was depressed sitting अचानक से one afternoon when I woke up I used to sleep a lot during that phase because depression में क्या करना क्या सो बस बैठ के
सबका सेम.
तो so सुबह उठ के I just got phone में notification आया इसमें कि VIT is taking like MTech का admission हो रहा है and without any entrance exam VIT generally has a VIT MEE Masters entrance exam होता है जैसे VIT EEE वैसे MEE the VIT is conducting entrance without MEE तो लाइक ठीक है लेट अस अप्लाई इसे अप्लाई कर लेते हैं सो आई जस्ट अप्लाई कर दिया था 500 रुपए लगे थे कुछ तो एंड आई जस्ट अप्लाइड और फिर विद इन द नेक्स्ट 2-3 डेज मेल आ गया कि तुम्हारा रैंक इतना है
ओके.
लाइक जस्ट बेस्ड ऑन माय मैट्रिक्स एंड एवरीथिंग मतलब
ओके.
तुम्हारा रैंक कितना है सिट फॉर काउंसलिंग काउंसलिंग में बेटा काउंसलिंग में क्या डाला है ऑप्शन मैकेनिकल डालो या सीएस हाँ
हाँ.
तो माय डैड वाज हिज बिगेस्ट मोटिवेटर ही वाज लाइक कि मैकेनिकल तो ऑलरेडी कर लिया मैकेनिकल कुछ खास जॉब तो है नहीं जस्ट ट्राई फॉर
करेक्ट.
कंप्यूटर साइंस वैसे भी मैकेनिकल में 4 साल बीटेक किया हो तो यू वोंट फॉरगेट एनीथिंग जस्ट यू नो मास्टर्स कंप्यूटर साइंस लाइक कोडिंग सीख लो वगैरह तो कोडिंग वगैरह सीख लो सो मैंने अप्लाई कर दिया था एंड सरप्राइजिंगली फर्स्ट कैटेगरी में मेरा सीएससी हो गया था इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट वीआईटी में सीएससी फर्स्ट कैटेगरी मिलना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट
वेरी
इट्स
टफ.
नॉट इजी
वेरी
एट
टफ.
ऑल very tough and I'll tell you how the fee hike goes for first category the fees is 1.5 second category it jumps to 3.2 per year तो फर्स्ट कैटेगरी में मेरा मतलब सीएससी हो गया था तो इन लेस देन लाइक 30% of the salary of fees what I've been paying in Germany मेरा
राइट.
उसमें वीआईटी में हो गया तो
करेक्ट.
it was just like it was literally within 1.5 weeks मतलब सो के उठा, मेल आया, 2-3 दिन में मेरा रैंक आ गया, उसी दिन शाम को काउंसलिंग में डाल दिया, 2
ओके,
दिन बाद इट केम कि तुम्हारा सीएससी फर्स्ट कैटेगरी हो गया, 1 हफ्ते में फीस भर दिया, एंड बाय
राइट,
20th जुलाई माय क्लासेस स्टार्टेड।
दैट्स नाइस, दैट्स नाइस। तो
क्लासेस
मतलब
स्टार्ट हो गए,
बिल्कुल ही अनप्लान्ड और बिल्कुल ही एकदम
एकदम
तुरंत सब
नहीं।
हो गया।
हाँ, जैसा होता है ना सुबह उठ के चलो चाय पीने चलते हैं, इट वाज़ लाइक दैट, चलो एमटेक करने चलते हैं।
राइट, राइट, राइट।
एमटेक करने चला गया। फिर एट दैट टाइम आई थॉट कि सीएससी वाले करते क्या है, कुछ क्या मतलब ईज़ी होते
हाँ, तो
होंगे,
अब मैं
बस
मैं
मोमेंट।
मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वो ये है कि मतलब हाउ चैलेंजिंग इट वाज़ फॉर यू? अगर क्योंकि 4 इयर्स इन मैकेनिकल वी लर्न नथिंग अबाउट सीएसई, राइट? Like their core
येस, येस, वी
subjects
लर्न
and data
नथिंग बोल
structures and
के।
all those things. So
कुछ
how
नहीं, कुछ
challenging
नहीं।
it was for a mechanical engineer to learn all
ओह!
those things?
द एंटायर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर इट वाज़ लिटरली हुँ, अबव माय हेड। कुछ नहीं दिमाग में समझ रहा था, कुछ नहीं। लाइक एमटेक का सिलेबस इज़ सच, जैसे आफ्टर 12th व्हेन यू कम टू बीटेक, तुम्हें ऐसा पता
Okay.
चलता है ना कि 12th जैसे फिजिक्स का, मैकेनिक्स का,
हाँ,
द पूरा 12th का सिलेबस इज़ ओनली द फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल इन वीआईटी का मैकेनिक्स जो होता है। जस्ट द फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल, तो 8 मॉड्यूल
करेक्ट।
होते हैं ना, तो जैसे
हाँ,
बीटेक में जैसे पूरा 12th का सिलेबस पहला मॉड्यूल होता है, वैसे ही
करेक्ट।
फॉर एमटेक द एंटायर बीटेक सिलेबस इज़ जस्ट द फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल ऑफ द, जैसे डीएसए का, डीएसए का
Okay,
एंटायर बीटेक 7 मॉड्यूल्स ऑफ द बीटेक इज़ कन्वर्टेड इंटू द 1 मॉड्यूल इन एमटेक।
module.
तो बाकी का सारे 6 मॉड्यूल्स इज़ टोटली न्यू, इट्स लाइक बिल्ट अप ऑन द बेसिक्स।
Okay,
तुम्हें
okay.
बेसिक्स ही स्ट्रांग नहीं है, तुम एमटेक करोगे क्या?
हाँ,
कुछ नहीं
करेक्ट।
आता तुम्हें। एकदम पागल हो जाते हो। तो बट थैंकफुली लाइक मेरे प्रोफेसर्स काफ़ी अच्छे थे, लाइक लिटरली
ओके।
अनलाइक वीआईटी, मतलब प्रोफेसर्स आर वेरी सपोर्टिव। मैं बोल दिया था फर्स्ट क्लास में कि मैम सर आई कम फ्रॉम मैकेनिकल बैकग्राउंड, आई डोंट
बैकग्राउंड,
नो एनीथिंग अबाउट सीएससी, कुछ नहीं आता, कुछ करो।
राइट।
तो आई हैड टू वर्क ऑन माय पार्ट वाज़ दैट मेरे को पहले से पूरा बीटेक का पढ़ना पड़ा, लाइक आई हैड टू स्टडी डबल देन मोस्ट ऑफ माय क्लासमेट। ऑल माय क्लासमेट्स देयर वाज सीएससी लाइक बैकग्राउंड, लाइक देयर वर कंप्यूटर साइंस बैकग्राउंड, बीटेक किया था उन लोगों में।
राइट,
बट आई हैड टू गो थ्रू द बैचलर्स, आई हैड टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बेसिक्स, आई हैड टू बाय बुक्स फ्रॉम अमेज़न और फिर मतलब पढ़ना शुरू किया, मतलब स्टार्टिंग से।
करेक्ट, करेक्ट,
So
करेक्ट,
आई वाज़ लैगिंग बिहाइंड, बट एट द एंड फैट के टाइम पे आई शूट हो गया था, बिकॉज़ मैं चीज़ बताता
राइट,
हूँ, इट्स अ वेरी बिग मिसकंसेप्शन कि मैकेनिकल में तुमने बीटेक किया, कंप्यूटर साइंस तुम घंटा उखाड़ पा तुम कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे। इट इज़ नॉट दैट, क्योंकि मैकेनिकल कोर ब्रांचेस जो है, केमिकल, सिविल,
राइट,
मैकेनिकल, कोर ब्रांचेस का ये एडवांटेज है कि हम लोग का मैथ्स का बेस बहुत स्ट्रांग होता है।
राइट, राइट,
और
राइट,
मैथ्स बेस और लॉजिक बिल्डिंग, वो सब का ना बहुत बेस हम लोगों का वेरी स्ट्रांग, लाइक जाके पता चला हम लोग, फिर आफ्टर जॉइनिंग एमटेक आई रियलाइज कि हाउ वीक पीपल आर इन मैथ्स। मैथ्स में बहुत वीक होते हैं सीएससी, मतलब कि उन लोगों को उतना काम करना नहीं होता, बट वी
करेक्ट,
आवर मैथ्स बेस इज स्ट्रांग, सो आवर एल्गोरिथम और लॉजिक बिल्डिंग एबिलिटी इज वेरी हाई। ये
राइट,
चीज
राइट,
मुझे पता चला। सो व्हेन लाइक दो सब्जेक्ट्स व्हिच आर न्यूमेरिकल बेस्ड, दे वर वेरी इजी फॉर मी, द मशीन लर्निंग, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, डीप लर्निंग. Okay, and those kind of even operating system, they were all mathematical based. So those subjects are very easy for me. It's just as theory subjects like information security or computer networks. Those
राइट,
are very boring. So those वो सब्जेक्ट्स तो मेरे को थोड़ा पढ़ना पड़ा था, पर रेस्ट एवरीथिंग वाज मतलब बहुत घिसना
ओके।
पड़ा, लेकिन हो गया,
हो गया।
पास हो गया सब में।
राइट, राइट, राइट। तो मतलब अगर अगर समवन इज़ फ्रॉम मैकेनिकल बैकग्राउंड तो
हम्म,
इम्पॉसिबल तो नहीं है ट्रांज़िशन मारना, अगर कोई ऐसे सोचता है
एक
कि मैं तो अब डिग्री ले लिया हूँ मैकेनिकल में तो
इम्पॉसिबल
अब तो
नहीं
मेरे
है,
से हो ही नहीं पाएगा,
इनफैक्ट इट्स easier.
राइट?
Or tech, it's easier to get into computer science. It's very easy.
और अगर मैं बात करूँ तो जैसे कॉलेज के टीचर्स, फैकल्टी से तो पढ़ ही रहे थे आप, लेकिन
Hmm.
साइड वाइज़ कौन-कौन सी रिसोर्सेज़ यूज़ किए? लाइक कौन-कौन सी वेबसाइट्स,
Uh,
कौन-कौन से यूट्यूब समथिंग
yes.
ट्यूटोरियल्स,
देखो
क्या-क्या यूज़ करके?
दो स्कूल ऑफ थॉट है, ठीक है। वन थिंग, यू आर एक्चुअली स्टडिंग फॉर सीएससी विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ डूइंग पीएचडी और समथिंग एल्स इन कंप्यूटर साइंस बैकग्राउंड,
राइट,
और यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर योर प्लेसमेंट्स।
राइट,
देयर आर टू वेज यू कैन प्रिपेयर, और दोनों का प्रिपरेशन सेम नहीं है। इफ यू स्टडिंग फॉर लाइक अगर उसमें फर्दर तुम्हें स्टडी करना है या तुम्हें रिसर्च करना है, देन यू हैव टू गो फुल इनटू ईच एंड एवरी सब्जेक्ट, यू हैव टू गो इन डेप्थ.
करेक्ट।
That is not easy. But preparing for placements is not that difficult. मैंने जो किया था, आई प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर प्लेसमेंट्स, बिकॉज लॉजिकली स्पीकिंग मैंने किस लिए ज्वाइन किया था, ऐसा मतलब टोटली डिफरेंट ब्रांच फॉर प्लेसमेंट्स ओनली। सीएससी में मार्केट इट्स ट्रू, नो एक्सक्यूज, 90s में मैकेनिकल का मार्केट था।
करेक्ट
नाउ
बात है,
फ्रॉम 2010 सीएससी का मार्केट है,
राइट,
मैकेनिकल का मार्केट उतना स्ट्रांग नहीं है। So you can see it in the trend also. सब
करेक्ट,
जगह everyone is getting places. Even this year, of all the companies that are coming, none of the mechanical, civil, computer science, not even single company has come. or
Right,
core
right.
companies. Most of them are consultants or startups that are coming. So, anyways, I did my preparation mostly from Geeks for Geeks, which a
Right.
coding practice hota hai, Geeks for Geeks. And there's this YouTube channel, the two people, Love Babbar and Aman
Love
Dhattarwal.
Bubber, yeah.
Yeah. So Love Babbar, that guy was, matlab, मैंने मैसेज भी किया था प्लेसमेंट मिलने के बाद कि थैंक यू बब्बर भाई.
अच्छा.
आई डोंट ही डिडंट रिप्लाई येट बट आई मैसेज किया था कि बिकॉज़ थैंक यू बिकॉज़
हाँ,
ही वाज वेरी ही शोड इन अ प्रॉपर वे कि 3 मंथ्स
करेक्ट,
में तुम
करेक्ट.
कैसे कर सकते हो. एंड फॉर बुक्स देयर इज वन बुक कॉल्ड गेल लैकमैन.
Okay,
There's a book called like Cracking the Coding Interview by Gail Lackman. It's a very famous book. You can get it on Amazon. It's just like $600. As a very good book. Okay, like they have shown each and every approach. Plus, the book was written with C++ in mind. And since my basics in C++ was very strong, so वो book मेरे को बहुत suit किया था. Like not everyone will suit. There's one called P.V. Narasimha Rao. There's one
हाँ,
more book, but that guy has written with the basis of Java in his mind. वो Java पे base करके he wrote that book. So that might be useful for people who are strong in Java. Gail Lackman was based on C and C++, so it was good for me. So I prepared from that, and very honestly speaking, मैंने बस YouTube पे search किया था because when you are interviewing for a software development role, there are 4 subjects they ask you on. The first one is DSA,
करेक्ट.
DBMS, DSA, DBMS, operating system, computer networks. एंड उसके बाद oops वगैरह पूछते हैं वो लोग. दैट इज जस्ट लाइक प्रिलिमिनरी. तो वो 4 मेन सब्जेक्ट्स है, तो जस्ट गूगल कर लेता हूँ कि टॉप 20
राइट,
इंटरव्यू
राइट.
क्वेश्चंस OS, and they'll give
करेक्ट.
you those questions and generally they ask from there only. So it's very easy to prepare for the placements.
जब ये प्लेसमेंट्स का सेशन चालू हुआ
Mm.
फॉर एमटेक इन सी, तो
Mhm.
लाइक कौन-कौन सी कंपनीज में यू अप्लाइड एंड हाउ वाज द इंटरव्यू
Uh,
प्रोसेस?
I was very lucky because I got in Superdream in the second company itself.
ओके,
Like
इट वाज द
first,
सेकंड कंपनी.
it started on March 31st. By
ओके,
April 5th, I was placed.
ओके,
And I
ओके.
was like, I could not sit for any other placements. But I'll tell you the companies. I have those in mind. The first company that came was Intel, and Intel will take a lot of students from
ओके,
VIT specifically. Intel, in first day itself, they took 101 students. They took
ओके,
Intel, but most of them were from VLSI design.
ओके.
VLSI
एलएसआई.
design lete, and like they are eligible for CSC and all, but VLSI design they'll take like almost 70 to 80% they'll take from VLSI design, and the 20% from other companies. I'll tell you the first week the companies that came were Intel, Dell, then AMD, um, Nvidia, Qualcomm,
राइट.
MediaTek, उसके बाद SAP Labs, VMware,
ओके, ओके.
Signify, Philips. Those companies came. So within those week, like placements opportunities are plenty in MTech CSC, and their placement is also very nuanced. Like VIT का MTech में बताता हूँ, it's like the structure is of an Indian MTech, but the way they teach is like in the UK. UK में MS 1 साल का
ओके,
होता है,
राइट.
इंडिया में MTech 2 साल का होता है, but you will finish your theoretical studies within 1 year MTech में.
ओके,
MTech में लेकिन bachelor's you have 2 semesters per year. In MTech we have 3 semesters. 2 full-length semesters and 1 fast-track semester. So within those, and we have total of 70 credits which you have to do. Credit points होते हैं. So we have to complete those 70 credits. So within the 1 year, we complete 70 minus 12, 58. So we complete 58 credits in first year itself. उसके बाद 12 credits just for the internship. You have 1 year for the internship. So how
ओके.
the
सो 1
placement
ईयर इज फॉर द
happens is
इंटर्नशिप, या.
they come uh, they come here to take for internship and they convert you. एमटेक का प्लेसमेंट का सीन ऐसा कंपेयर टू बीटेक क्या होता है दैट डायरेक्टली टेक फुल टाइम.
गॉट
एमटेक
इट.
में दे टेक यू दे ट्रेन यू फॉर 1 year क्योंकि एमटेक में यू हैव मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज कंपेयर टू बीटेक.
राइट,
इवन इफ द प्रोफाइल इज सेम यू विल बी गिवन मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एंड एमटेक का ये फायदा है कि योर ग्रोथ विल बी हायर बिकॉज यूर अ मास्टर स्टूडेंट. Your growth will be higher, so they train you for a longer period of time, and after that they convert you.
राइट, राइट.
It is written
सो
in the
यू डिड एन
contract.
इंटर्नशिप?
My internships were all in mechanical companies. I
राइट,
did
राइट,
two. I did 2 internships. One was in the Murugappa group, and one was in Continental Automotive.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट.
Mm.
और अब नेक्स्ट इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग ये होगी कि जब आप इंटरव्यू देने गए, तो डिड दे
Mm.
आस्क लाइक व्हाई डिड यू चेंज योर ब्रांच फ्रॉम मैकेनिकल टू सीएस
Oh
ड्यूरिंग
yes,
द
yes, yes.
इंटरव्यू?
All the interviews. That was that one common question. I sat for like
या.
3 4 interviews, and all of them had that one question.
ओके.
The first they asked was why did you change from mechanical to computer science?
या.
And honestly, to answer that question, You have no other way than to be brutally honest about it. Because you cannot say कि मेरा interest था इसीलिए किया. You cannot say I was interested in the subject, that's why I did it. मैं क्या computer science किया. That will not cut it, because they'll say interest था तो you changed your branch. They'll ask you even more difficult questions on it. They'll grill you on that topic. You have to give a, like, you have to give an honest reason, because they know the answer why you've taken CSE, because यहाँ पे placement हो रहा है इसलिए I'm coming here. But they don't
Right.
want to hear that from you. You have to tell them like that way. Like मैंने, like for me, my bachelor thesis जो मेरा final year project था, it was on computer vision. So although it's a mechanical robotics based thing, my work was in the coding part. So मैंने
Right.
बोला था coding, I did that thing in coding computer vision. So that was one of interest for me. And उसके बाद, like, my case, I told them I was honest, like, बीटेक में मैकेनिकल में कोई प्लेसमेंट्स नहीं हो रहा है, प्लस आई हैड इंटरेस्ट इन कोडिंग, इसलिए मैंने एमटेक ज्वाइन कर लिया.
Right.
बट मैंने इंटरव्यूज वोंट लाइक, जैसे टीसीएस एक कंपनी में जैसे मॉक इंटरव्यू दिया था,
हाँ,
वहां
हाँ.
पे आई टोल्ड द सेम आंसर कि मैंने मैकेनिकल में प्लेसमेंट वैसे सीएससी लिया. तो बोला दैट्स वेरी फिकल माइंडेड ऑफ यू हैव नो पैशन. तो बोला इफ द नेक्स्ट 10 years अगर सम अदर सब्जेक्ट बिकम्स ट्रेंडी, यू विल लीव दैट, यू लीव कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड जॉइन दैट सब्जेक्ट. So you have to make sure, like, वो experience से आता है वो चीज. You have to look at the interviewer and have to tell the right answer. But generally, being honest works.
Correct, correct. And like, how was the interview process for Dell Technologies? Like first round, what was the first round?
The Dell thing was mechanical. Sorry, in MTech, there's one thing. In BTech, generally you have one exam. You have a coding exam. After that, you have an interview. In MTech, they don't have that exam. In MTech, they directly sit for interviews in MTech, because two things. Number one, the number of students is very less. We had only 62 students in our batch.
Correct.
Classmates, there were only 16. So number one, there's no use shortlisting. And number two was most of our classmates, like I was the youngest one in the class without any job experience. Most of my classmates, they had at least 3, 4, 5 years of job experience. So they were
Right.
all experienced people, and there's like also there's a psychological thing also. Like once you're experienced, there's no use giving that test. So directly interview में बैठते हैं, and they just give you time slots. They give you
Correct.
time slots, like it started from 8 o'clock, it went on till 11 o'clock in night. It started from 9 o'clock in the morning, it went on till 11. So my case, I was pretty lucky also in that case, because
How?
Dell, uh, my interview was supposed to happen at 9 o'clock in the morning,
Right.
and the interview would be taken by Dell Technologies Bangalore branch. But somehow, me and 2 or 3 other classmates of mine, our time was shifted from 9 o'clock in the morning right till 10 o'clock at night. Just like that,
Okay.
I got a message telling that your interview has been postponed till 10 o'clock at night. Like, oh my God. And it was both good and bad. Good because I had time to prepare, bad because my anxiety was like rising.
Yeah, yeah,
Anxiety बढ़
yeah,
जाती
yeah.
है. You're like, क्या हो रहा है सबका interview वाला. They were telling me बहुत difficult question पूछते हैं. They're very difficult. They'll ask you from
Right,
every
right.
each and every subject. Because obviously, your friends are coming out of the interview. Obviously, you'll ask
हाँ,
them
करेक्ट.
कैसा गया bro,
और
कैसा गया,
प्रेशर
क्या
बढ़ा
पूछा.
देते हैं.
हाँ हाँ, like bro बहुत difficult था, सब पूछ रहे थे. तो by the time my interview time came, I was already like, I was सोच ही लिया था कि मेरे को नहीं पूछ, मतलब मेरा सिलेक्शन नहीं होगा, ऐसे बैठ गया. And then the luck played the part was because मैं जब बैठा, I saw there were 4 Americans sitting in front of me instead of Bengaluru office, because Dell has this thing where the entire all the Dell technologies, they take interview at the same time. So like depending on the time zones, the morning time zone the Bengaluru branch was taking, and since like after 6 Bengaluru office closes down and the US office opens, so the US office were taking my interview. And there's this difference, I'm not telling like good or bad, but the difference was uh, Indians are more towards asking you like theoretical knowledge, or how much you can remember, kitna, how much rattofy you can do, kitna ratta
Yeah,
maar
yeah,
sakte ho
yeah.
answers.
Correct.
US, they were telling the first thing they told me in the interview was my manager. She told me ki my right now she was my manager. By that time she was my interviewer. So like, see, I won't ask you on theoretical things, because anyways you can look that up. You can look that up in the internet. I
Okay.
want to see. See, she's like, I want to see how you think as a developer. They didn't ask any theoretical. They didn't ask any theoretical questions. सीधा सीधा पूछ लिया. I want to see how you think as a software developer.
Okay.
That was the question. And then she asked, "How do you boil an egg? Give me an algorithm for it."
Okay.
Just like that.
Interesting.
Like
Yeah.
how do you boil an egg? Give an algorithm. मैंने बोल दिया egg लो, pan में डालो, hot water, boil कर दो. Boiled egg. She's like, you told me this algorithm. I can break your code in 1 second. And I'm like, what? Well, okay, think again and tell me. तो उसके बाद मेरे दिमाग में थोड़ा खुला कि ओके, it must be a trick question because why will you ask me how to boil an egg?
हाँ, राइट,
तब
राइट.
यह है कि if you are thinking as a software developer, फिर मेरे को याद आया कि बहुत बचपन में they used to teach something known as algorithms. और ये मैं remember I used to form those flow charts. तो
हाँ,
diamond
राइट,
होता
राइट,
है,
राइट.
if statement, box वगैरह.
राइट,
So I
राइट.
had to think like that. The first correct answer was like this. First thing you check the fridge whether there are eggs or not. First check there are eggs or not. So if eggs not there, you go buy eggs. If eggs are there, then you go. So you have to think like that. You have to look at
Okay,
various
got it.
different test cases. You have to make like you have to visualize the outcome and the accidents that can happen. So वैसे they were asking many trick questions like how do you write a C++ code without any semicolon? Yeah,
Okay.
how to add two numbers without using any add operator,
Okay,
or
okay.
how to print 1 to 100 without any if operator, yeah, without using any loops. They're
How
all
to
trick
swap two
questions.
numbers without using any third variable, like that.
Yes, exactly, like all the trick questions कैसे पूछ सकते हो. And then the big question came, like why CSE, mechanical से CSE क्यों?
Right.
And that they grilled me for at least 30 minutes. For 30
Okay, on
minutes,
this
that in,
question only.
only this question alone, they had my interview for 30 minutes. And I was honest about it and they liked my answer. So 12 बजे रात को I got the mail कि तुम्हारा हो गया. So
Okay.
imagine waking up 9 o'clock in the morning and then 12 बजे आता है कि super dream selection list हो जाता है. मेल में आता है ना super dream
Okay,
selection
हाँ,
list.
हाँ, हाँ, correct.
And now it feels so good. And
Yeah, man.
I had this thing when I almost like I made a promise with myself कि unless and until I get placed, I will not have ice cream. मतलब मैं आइसक्रीम नहीं
Okay.
खाऊंगा. So the first thing I did was went and got ice cream.
Next morning.
Yeah, next morning.
That's nice. और एक चीज I want to know,
Mhm.
like how do you feel working for a like in a CSE company
Mm.
compared to a mechanical company, like more preference being in a core mechanical company or a software company?
If I'm honest about it, like मैं सच बोलता हूँ, ठीक है, I'll be frank. Mechanical company में काम करना is more fun.
More
Because I'll
fun
tell
in
you,
mechanical.
I'll tell you my reason why. Because I'm
Why?
more of a hardware kind of person. So when you work in a hard, like because I have interned in mechanical companies,
Right, right,
and
right.
I have worked in labs. I worked with physical objects. Now when you're working in a mill or something like gearbox mill, इसमें काम करते हो, you look at like hard things. So you have the feeling and satisfaction कि आज मैंने काम किया है. Is more manual in mechanical. In
Correct.
computer science, it is you're just sitting on a desk, two screens in front of you. I have right now also have two monitors in front of me, and you will be working. But mechanical and computer science, it is less labor intensive, more like
Yeah,
dimag ka kaam hota hai. You have to work your
correct.
head more. And when you're working in companies like this, you have to make sure that you get your exercise every day. Because if you're sitting at the same place, thoda yoga, like I started doing yoga and everything.
Correct.
Yoga thoda karna hota hai because you have to improve your circulation. Otherwise, suppose whole day you're sitting on the chair, halat kharab ho jati hai.
The pay difference is also huge.
Oh yes. Because that's also because of the market, right?
Yeah, right, right.
मैकेनिकल कोई गाड़ियां खरीद नहीं रहा है या मतलब
Correct,
sales
correct,
of
correct.
cars have gone down now. I don't know, something has happened. The pay difference is low.
What advice will you give to like freshers or
Mm,
the persons who have already done their BTech in mechanical engineering? Should
mm.
they switch to software engineering or should they continue pursuing mechanical?
No. I'll tell you. There's a very nuanced answer to it. I learned this when I was working in Continental that the future of engineering is no longer individual branches. It is like in the future, it will no longer be like mechanical engineering, or I'm a civil engineer, I'm a mechanical engineer, I'm a computer science engineer. Everything is going to merge because at the end, I'll tell you one simple example. Everyone will be driving cars,
Right,
everyone will be living at their homes, everyone will be using their home appliances. But things are going to switch how? Cars, it won't be no longer like pure gas fuel run cars, it'll be self driving cars.
having
It won't be a
electric.
normal home anymore. It'll be a smart home. So when you're a civil engineer designing a smart home, you have to make sure that smart home, it should be smart home ready. You should have all the
Correct.
characteristics. Or if you're a
Infrastructure
mechanical
should be like
engineer
that.
and designing a hybrid car or a self-driving car, you have to know the algorithm or running of the code of how self-driving car works. So everything is becoming mixed up right now. Everything is interdisciplinary.
Correct.
So one thing that can happen right now is even if you're studying the core engineering branches, like non-CSE branches, that coding knowledge should be made, what do you call that? Compulsory for
Compulsory.
everyone.
Right.
Yes, it should be
Even if
made
you are from a
compulsory because
mechanical electronic doesn't matter. Like
yes, it
little
does
bit of
not
coding you
matter
have to
what
know.
branch. Yes,
Correct.
you study your own core subjects, but also study about coding, and not only coding. Normal coding will get very boring. You have to learn how coding will impact your branch of engineering, how coding will impact your branch. So,
Correct.
with that in mind, how do you design? So, mechanical and robotics is there. How is coding is going to impact robotics? How you can
Right.
make a machine vision? You have to study about that. So, if you study with that mindset, it does not matter like which branch you're studying.
Right. Right.
At the end, the knowledge is there, and when you sit for any software development company, it will be easier for you.
You can also make some projects, even if you're in mechanical, you can make mechatronics kind of projects or robotics kind of projects, which involves coding.
Yes, yes, yes,
So
obviously,
it's up to you.
and it is there. Yeah,
Right.
obviously.
Right. But like many of the people working for a mechanical company, like core companies, are not
Mm.
satisfied with their job, right?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
someone is like suppose working for a year, 1 year or 2 year in a mechanical core branch.
Mm.
So is it a good idea for him to change after working for a year or 2 year in mechanical core company? Is it a good idea to switch to a software job?
It's a very good saying. Any time is good time. The right time to start is now.
Right.
Now is the right time.
Right.
So it does not matter. You. I'll give you the best example. मेरे class में ही है. There's this guy called Ravi Kumar, and you know how he's an MTech student, and guess his age. How old is he? Just make a wild guess. Yeah,
30.
I'll tell you. He's 60.
What?
He's my classmate in MTech.
60 years of age.
60, 58 or something like after retirement, post
Okay.
retirement.
Was doing MTech in VIT.
Yes, yes. Because उसका interest था. Just because he was
Okay.
interested, he joined. Plus, like, so I have to learn the new ways
Right.
because everything is changed. Like, imagine when he started working,
Uh-huh.
computer science was nothing at that time. And
Right, right,
imagine
right.
him now, everything has changed, and he's with us learning. And in fact, he's one of the toppers in the class.
Oh my
He's
God.
so old learning something with us, and yet he's the topper, one of the highest scoring students in the class.
Okay, okay, okay. So it doesn't matter like at which point of time
Yes.
you are, like you can change at any point of time, right?
But also, yeah, like interest. Suppose you're interested in a mechanical, you're working in a mechanical job, but you're not happy with the pay. Just because for like the money is more in computer science, just because of money you're shifting company and you do not like coding, that is not a good choice.
Right,
Just
right,
because the money is good and you're shifting, that's not a good choice. If you're already working in a computer science in a mechanical field, then I would not suggest changing just because the money is good. You can do something else. You can go into mechatronics, you can go into robotics,
right.
but do not shift from working in a manufacturing plant to software development. That is going to destroy you because you're going to study something which you do not know, and the pressure is going to build up. And oh shit, I mean, already job छोड़ दी है, मुझे join करना ही पड़ेगा.
Correct,
So
correct,
that
correct.
frustration is different. No, वैसा I won't suggest that, but अगर genuine interest है तो you can change.
It depends upon person to person. If you're interested and if you're excited about computer science or
Yes.
software companies, you can
Mm.
get transition, right? And it's
Yes.
not something like I have taken mechanical or civil or biotech, so I can't change now. Like I can't learn all those
No,
things.
एकदम ही
Yeah,
नहीं, not at all, not at all. You have taken a core. Plus, I'll tell you this core thing. The reason why they're called the core branches of engineering is because they take the basics, the main essence of engineering. They take the basics. Computer science is a specialized field of electronics,
right.
if I'm not wrong. So if you're studying core branch, it is easier to shift to specialized branches. But the opposite is not true. Suppose you're doing BTech in computer science, then you want to do masters in mechanical. That is going to be very difficult for you.
I don't think many people will do that also.
नहीं था पता है. Like in my first year of engineering, there was this guy on CSE.
Okay. He
He
wants to
shifted
change
to
to mechanical.
mechanical. He shifted to
Why?
mechanical after second. Interest tha. There was interest.
That's nice. Currently, you are working as a software development engineer in Dell.
Yes.
Like,
Software
what's your
development.
day-to-day work like? Not in detail, overall, like
Yes,
brief.
yes. Right now, since I'm still the new guy, I'm
Uh,
not been given code development jobs. Like right now, I'm just going through the, you know, they have something known as, if you're studying computer science, you know, there's something known as agile framework, or there are something called sprints. When you have a product, something lined up, and you're doing sprints on that. Like everything, you have a meeting and you see how the progress have been made. So right now, I'm just taking part of the sprints, and they're giving me like small tasks which are not that deep into the company, like updating the servers or patchwork of the server. Those kind of jobs I'm doing, and I'm still under training. But yes, the work has been really satisfactory. Like job satisfaction
That's
is
good.
full there, and the number of working hours is also really less for me.
How many?
Um, See, on paper it is 9 hours, but
Okay.
it all depends on your efficiency. If you're working fast,
Right, right, right.
then like 3 4 hours is enough to
So it's
dedicate.
like
Like
work is given to you, and you can complete it in like
yes,
whatever time you can finish.
yes, exactly. Like I have done work like I have stayed up whole night working for a job, and I also have gone days without working. Like pura din I was sleeping. I didn't do any job.
Got
So
in.
I have seen both the spectrum in this short span of time. It's just that how efficiently you do your job, and I spend most of my time learning.
That's nice.
Even my manager, she just completed 20 years of work in the company, and I asked her like, what was the secret? She's like, Devatam is just constant learning. Because imagine like 20 years or 20 years back, computer science was nothing. Imagine no
Correct.
2000s, computer science wasn't that big.
Correct.
And
Correct.
see the exponential growth of technology now
Right.
in
Right.
2021. So unless and until you're constantly learning, you won't get to that part. And also, computer science, what you're studying in colleges and the work you'll be doing, it's like hell and heaven difference. It's like a grain of sand versus the ocean. You'll be
Right.
just learning the basics, and the work you'll be doing, the development work in the company, because these companies are huge and they have like thousands, so millions and millions of lines of code.
Correct.
And our code is small mini projects, maximum will be 200 or 500 lines of code. So the work you have to learn. So I spend most of my company time learning. I spend learning. I don't waste that time. I learn as much as possible.
Just the last question.
Mhm.
How difficult it was for you to learn the DSA? Like DSA is considered as a tough subject, right?
Yes.
And many
DSA
companies
is
will
not.
ask him.
Mm. DSA is not a tough concept. DSA questions are difficult. That's it's just like that.
The
Ki
potato.
addition, it's like addition subtraction difficult नहीं होता.
Right.
But the questions, suppose integration concept, how difficult is integration? X dx is just x square by 2. It's just that.
Correct.
But are the integration questions easy? 12th board में जो
No.
पूछते हैं. It's not easy, right? It's just like that. DSA, the concept itself is not difficult. Stacks, queues, heaps, trees, graphs. The basic implementation is not that difficult. What's difficult is suppose they give you an abstract problem or they give you a real life problem. Knowing which data structure to apply in
Correct.
that current situation. Suppose instead of like suppose this issue requires arrays, but you use linked list. So now you have used unnecessary lines of code. You've increased
Correct.
the complexity. Or something that requires suppose trees or graphs से बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है. But you just took it individually and did it. So that is like knowing which concept to apply, which data structure or which algorithm to apply. That is a difficult one. Every question has a correct solution. There's no wrong solution to it. It is
Right.
just how efficient the solution is. That is the difficult part of DSA.
Got it.
That is even I would rate myself just 2 or 3 out of 10. That is the more you practice, like that thing comes from competitive coding. You go to lead code, go to competitive coding, and you practice. That is going to make you good at it. Knowing the
Right.
concept
Right.
is very easy. It's gonna take you 1 week maximum. 1 week में हो जाता है. But
But like yeah,
practicing, hmm,
you have
वो
to
practice
practice and
करके
like
knowing.
understand where to apply what.
Yes. Even
Got it.
my
Got
DSA is not that good, but thankfully it was good enough for the interviews.
it. Yeah. 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 That's all you need.
Yes. लक पे नहीं छोड़ने का है, पढ़ाई करना है. So all
Correct.
सुयश viewers, practice करो बैठ के. Nothing
Right.
else.
Right. Right. Practice through LeetCode and Gigs for Gigs and all those platforms, right?
लीड कोड तो यू कैन गो लेटर. लीड कोड में स्टार्टिंग में बैठोगे तो मोटिवेशन डाउन हो जाएगा बिकॉज द क्वेश्चंस
Correct.
लीड कोड इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट लेवल. Geeks for Geeks, there are easy questions, medium questions. You do those slowly, and then you once you build up the momentum, go into CP.
Devatam, it was very nice
Yeah.
talking to you. Like
Thank you,
बहुत मजा
Suyash.
आया और काफी
And
कुछ सीखने
सुयश
मिला.
ने तो बहुत मतलब जिंदगी में तीर मारा है. Like he's acting as if कुछ नहीं है. Suyash is so successful. He was my batchmate in VIT,
Yeah,
and have done really good
that's
for
nice.
himself. Congratulations, all the best.
Yeah, all the best to you also
And
for your future endeavors.
thank you for having me.
You
Thank
make
you.
me feel
Bye.
amazing when I'm next to you. You